All right, so I'm going to do part B of question 2.5.43. Let's slide the bar down here a little bit. Okay, so part B begins here. The lifespans of 3 randomly selected tires are 35,600, 40,400, and 38,000 miles. Using the empirical rule, find the percentile that corresponds to each lifespan. All right, any question that says using the empirical rule means to use this chart over here that's on page 86 in our book. There's one little thing here that you need to, they don't do a very good job of making clear, and that is there is 0.15% out to the left and 0.15% and 0 yes, 0.15% out to the right. Okay, so lifespan 35,600 miles. All right, so the mean is 38,000. The standard deviation is 2,400. A z-score is x minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So let's do that for 35,600. 35,600 minus the mean of 38,000 over 2,400. All right. Well, that is actually going to equal minus 1. So what that means is 1 standard deviation below the mean. All right, so in other words, it's right here. X minus 1 standard deviation. So if you'll notice on the curve, so that what they want to know is what's the percentile. All right, well, the percentile will be what percent of the data is below that. So that's going to be the 0.15%. plus the 2.35% plus the 13.5, right? 0.15, 2.35, 13.5. All that's below there. That adds up to 16%, and there's the answer, the 16th percentile. All right, let's do the next one. The lifespan, 40,400 miles, is the next one. All right, so let's do that. So z equals 40,400 minus 38,000 over 40,400 over 2,400. Well, that equals plus 1, right? Well, plus 1 is going to be right here, right? Okay, a couple ways to look at this. Probably the easiest one, the quick way is this. Well, one way, you could do what we just did. You could do this 0.15 plus 2.35 plus 13.5 plus 34 plus 34. That'll get you the right answer. But notice the mean is sitting right here, right? The mean's in the middle. It's sitting at 50%. Okay? We need to be at plus 1. So 50% plus, what's between plus 1 and 50 is this area right here. 34% equals 84%. And like I said, if you wanted to, you could add up all the pieces to the left and you get the same answer. All right, I think that'll do it. You can try the last bit for 38,000 on your own.